Okay, I got another request for a shout out from Rudy. I'm going to have to spell the last name because I can't pronounce it. Pachecano. That's a long last name. But I want to give you some advice too. So your mom doesn't delete your YouTube channel again. Be wise on what you choose to put on your YouTube channel and who you subscribe to. Because there are people out there that aren't very, shall we say, kid-friendly. In fact, have your mom help you with this channel so that she feels that she's part of the process and you both can share your opinions together in a peaceful and respecting way, because your parents you only have for a short time. Cherish every moment you have with them. I lost my dad some years ago and I wish I could talk to him now. Well, you have a good time trying to rebuild your channel, and I'll see about subscribing now myself. Bye-bye.